Santa, bring my baby back to me. Santa, bring my baby back to me. I don't need a lot of presents to make my Christmas bright. All I need is my baby's arms to hold me round real tight. Now, Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me.
Santa, bring my baby back to me.
Oh, God.
Elvis.
Hey. BOOZHOO, Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody.
Okay.
And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. Over here, Hoa. The star of the show, NANABOOZHOO, Ikadon BOOZHOO, Weenie Mushane. Say hello, sweetheart.
BOOZHOO, Kakina Awia. Hello, everybody.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day.
Yeah.
Minobi Nipa Anama E Good. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Minobi Nipa Anama E Good, sweetheart.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
You too, baby doll.
Minobi. Merry. Nipa Anama E Good means nighttime prayer day. Nipa is the nighttime. Anama E is a prayer. Good is the day. So if you want to say Merry Nighttime Prayer Day or Merry Christmas, you would say Minobi Nipa Anama E Good. Merry Christmas. Oh, Christmas tree! Oh, Christmas tree! La-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dee. Anyway, yeah, so this has been your Ojibwe phrase of the day. And on behalf of everybody at our show, and just want to say, hope you have a very beautiful Christmas. Minobi Nipa Anama E Good.
Minobi Nipa Anama E Good. Merry Christmas, Kakina Awia. Merry Christmas, everybody. And Miigwech Ganawabieg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO over here.
Over here,
the lovely and talented Natasha.
Hoa.
And I will see you again. Gigawaba men, Minawa. Hoa.
Hoa.
All right.